going on, everybody? I'm actually headed to the airport. I'm getting ready to pick up my student, Mohammed. He's flew in from Philly. He came in because he wanted to get the live training on how he can start up his virtual wholesaling business out there in Philadelphia. And so getting ready to pick him up from the airport. We're going to go behind the scenes, show you what it's going to look like training with me live for 3 days. We're going to have a little fun as well, too. It might be his first time in town. We're going to find out. But the main thing is I want to make sure that he gets packed with value these next 3 days and go home with a very good blueprint on what he needs to do so he can get his business off the ground and really running. And just stay tuned, man.